getting an EAS on a channel. Not my channel. I heard the, I heard the, 10 something.
Northwest of Room Island, moving southeast at 10 knots.
I think severe thunderstorm warning? Why is my weather radio doing that?
Source, radar.
Yeah.
Could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds.
Bro.
Access includes Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, St. Leonard
I'm just trying to get the EAS.
Island, Apple Creek, Sound Creek, North Beach, Drum Point, Bears Island, Taylor Island,
Tornado warning. It's so
Volusia
funny.
State Harbor.
Take cover now. Yeah, it was definitely an EAS.
Station Pools Island.
Interesting. I was just like switching through channels.
A chance in the
Yeah, I had
afternoon.
WX39.
Hot with highs in the lower 90s.
Yeah.
Chance of rain
That was
30%.
interesting. Well,
Wednesday night, mostly
yeah.
cloudy with a chance
I
of
might
showers
have
and
more because it's
thunderstorms.
supposed to rain here.